Hi guys, welcome to Chef Luigi. Well, I'm just making something. I'm making a taco. Well, this is a really small one. So, warm this up, put it on 30 something.
This still cold.
Okay. Well, my sister's using, my sister's using this.
Could I get two of these?
If you want.
Is it still recording?
Huh?
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. So, you can
Give
put
me another one.
Huh?
Could you give me another one out?
Which one?
Sausage. Thanks, Luigi.
You're welcome.
You're the best, Luigi.
Okay, so first what you're gonna do, you're just gonna warm this up to 30 seconds. Oh, 30 seconds, I got 2 plates. It's in there. Shh. And put it on 30 until 30 seconds. And while that waits. Okay, I put it in there too long. Ugh, it stinks too. So I put it in there too long. I'm gonna do a second try. Get my burrito. There's only one more burrito left. And hopefully, I put it on way too long. Start. Okay, I am so sorry. Do not put it on. Oh, that's hot. Even though I just put it in there. Okay, then I'll get my plate. Now put this in there. I would just warm the whole thing. Can I warm this up? Okay, put that in there. Put it on. Add 30 seconds. So my meat is going. So what I'm going to use a minute. So where's my spoon? Right. Okay, then wait until that warms up. Okay, my meat is finished. Make sure it's all warm. Oh, that's a lot of seasoning. It needs warming up a little bit more. So I'll put it back in there for add 30 seconds again and wait. Hey, would you make me a taco? That's the last taco. Oh, I got more. Okay. Here you go. Okay, now that is done. We just get it out. Hot. Oh no. It's hot. Then I take my spoon that I had. Hi. Put it right in the middle. Okay, that's enough meat. Now, all I have to do is I need some lettuce. Oh, What else do I need? Sour cream. Is this sour cream? Or oh God. A little bit of tomatoes. Excuse me. Can I have some juice? Wait, keep it out.
Please.
Please, if you don't mind. And a little bit of sour cream. Okay. What else do I need? Okay, that's all. So I got all the supply out. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the cheese in there. Ow, my finger's stuck. Okay. Ugh, gosh. Okay, that cheese. Okay, that's enough for this. Then, oh, my tomatoes. This is tomato juice. Oh no! A little bit of tomato juice. Now put a little, no. Oh. Okay. So the sour cream's not really on there. That one. Sour. And now I got my taco. I'm gonna need you to step aside. This taco. Oh my gosh, this is a small taco. Let's try it out. Wait, first you need to say your grace. Because you need to bless Jesus for this day and food. What is this?
Lettuce. Are you good?
God is grace, God, He is good. Everything to Him. For this food, amen. Praise God for everything, amen.
Are you gonna clean that up?
Yeah.
Why are you eating it in front of the camera?
I'm getting confused now. Okay. That was good, so bye. How do you open this?